This is our little hobby area. We had a beautiful storm today. Back here is where our garden is in the summer. And then my husband's boys club back there, his craft room. Our yard. It looks so pretty. Our dog's out in the back. And we're coming out to put the goats away for the night. There are our goats. There's Gary the man. Here comes Jonas. Jonas is overly friendly and has absolutely no respect for personal boundaries. He's the one male, and we have 3 females in the back. It's our little barn. And I'll take you in and show you what the barn looks like. This is their little play area. He's gonna go jump me. They've got a bunch of cool things to play on. They've got a heated water. And then this is their barn, their house. In here, we have 2 rooms in the back. Oh, Jonas. In case Agnes, we decide to breed them. So we have Jonas, we have Agatha, Agnes, and Matilda's in the back. Matilda's the quiet one who gets picked on all the time. Agnes is Jonas's buddy, and Agatha, she is the queen of the group, so she isn't that friendly. And we're going to go ahead and feed them and put them away for the night and grab some dinner. Hope you enjoyed.